All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this on to knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one, so let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. So there you go. There you go over here. And isn't that pretty? So again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. Again, this is the one I call the Rocky Balboa. You can buy. All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? We're going to start on the inside of this one that we call the Farmhouse Barrington. So this is the Barrington Park model. I have filmed this one before on my lot, but the one I got on my lot is more of the rustic one that's got the tongue and groove pine on the inside. This one here has the birch wood walls painted white. So this one's more of a farmhouse, more contemporary versus rustic. I love it though because you still got your tongue and groove pine dark ceilings. You got your dark floors, but again, with the white walls, it just opens up the whole area. And as you can see, makes it very livable. You got a full size couch over there, living room. Come on to the back, you got your kitchen area. You got your full-size stove, microwave, refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer. Got more storage over here. Again, Everything you need, nothing you don't. Isn't that pretty? You walk in the front door, you got your living room over that way. There's your Bosch Mini split. Beautiful park model RV. Nice size porch on the front. Okay. Of course, we can screen that in as well. This one is set up where you got your loft upstairs there for the guests or the kiddos. And then, of course, downstairs through that room is your master bedroom, which we'll show you that here in a second. You got your, look at this, beautiful full bathroom here with your slow close cabinets, medicine cabinet, okay. Get your light switches. And over here, you got your walk-in shower, your commode. Again, remember guys, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down in that bathroom and in that shower, no problem. Look at all that extra kitchen cabinet space. Again, you got one of these smaller refrigerators, but you could definitely get a bigger one in there. As you can see, more cabinet space. You got your Whirlpool stackable washer on the bottom, dryer on top. There's your electrical panel there. And instead of having a ladder to get up to the loft, you've got some real steps. So you take your steps, go on up, and here you go. You could easily put a king-size bed up here, a couple of full-size beds, or probably 4 twins will fit up here. So it's very spacious. Put the guests, put the grandkids up here where they can crawl on up, have some fun, go to bed up here. And then downstairs, you got the downstairs area here where, again, look at this. Keep it moving here. We got, oh, someone's in here. They opened up the door. Wouldn't be surprised if that's my son up in the loft. How did I know that? Got Mowgli up there up in the loft. How you doing up there, buddy? So again, this is the one we call the Barrington, but this is the farmhouse edition, which again is more contemporary versus rustic. One of the things I like to talk about as well is we have these obviously built as RVIA certified park models on a 4-axle trailer system. But keep in mind, if you just want this built on skids, we can do that as well, to where you could put them on a foundation. So that is also an option. If you want us to go that route, instead of building it on a trailer, we can also build it on skids. Okay, so again, if you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, you know I like to hear from my people. I'm a Gen Xer 1979 model. So go ahead and comment Gen X or baby boomer below, or the year you was born. That way I know I got my people watching me, not just the young bucks. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, to like, share, and follow. It keeps me motivated when you guys comment, like, share, and follow. Keeps me motivated to come out here and keep making these videos for y'all, because it's a lot of work to make them. So I appreciate you commenting. I try to read all them comments, liking, sharing, and subscribing so you don't miss my future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is OC with AmishBuiltCabins.com. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow, and you can reach us at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Or click the link in the bio. AmishBuiltCabins.com is the website. Blessings to you and yours. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy. Check it out. Come back and see us now. All right, guys. Let's just say you're looking for a small cabin. 2-bed, 1-bath. Move-in ready. This one here is an excellent choice. Let's walk inside. I love it because you got that little 6-foot by 8-foot front porch. See that? Little 6x8 front porch. We can make the porch bigger if you want to pay for a bigger porch kit. And then you got your D-log siding and your 40-year 26-gauge metal roof, double pane windows. Let's take you inside and show you this pretty cabin real quick. There's your little porch. Okay, you walk inside and voila. Again, you got your beautiful knotty pine. We painted this wall here and just to give it a little accent wall, but it is the knotty pine underneath of it. So we got a couple accent walls for knotty pine, and then you got your regular knotty pine here. So kind of break up the wood a little bit. Okay, you go back here, you got a bedroom here where you could easily put a bunk bed for the kiddos, or this will fit a full or queen bed. So there's bedroom number one. You got your mini split back there for your heating and cooling. You got a spot here for your stove, microwave. There's your beautiful kitchen cabinets. Over here you got a spot for your dishwasher, right? And then as you go down the hallway, you got your tub, toilet, and sink. That's a full tub. Put your mirror back there. Come on down. You got your stackable washer and dryer connections over here. Like I said, everything you need. And then you got another mini split here. Natural light there. Closet. There's your 200 amp electrical panel. And then you open this closet. Use part of it as a closet, and part of it, we can either do a tankless water heater if you want more closet space, or put a full-blown water heater in there. So again, if you're looking for a RV park model, this is a beautiful one. Give us a call and let's make it happen. Okay, we call this one the El Poco Loco. 2 bed, 1 bath. We can also do it as a 1 bed, 1 bath. Okay, just a beautiful Amish built cabin. This one you can get for $79,900. So right under $80K. You can come pick it up yourself or arrange for us to ship it to you. Again, $79,900.